Ever wanted to turn a simple snapshot into a captivating pencil sketch and then bring it to life with dazzling colors, all digitally? Let's dive into Adobe Photoshop and get started on transforming your photos into stunning digital art pieces. First, open an image in Photoshop now. Let's focus on achieving the classic pencil sketch. Duplicate the original layer by right-clicking on the layer in the Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer. With the duplicated layer selected, convert it to black and white by navigating to Image, then Adjustments, and finally Black and White. Experiment here to find what fits best with your image. Next, go to Filter, then Stylize, and choose Fine Edges, which should give you a sketch-like outline. Now it's time to refine the look. Go to Filter, then Blur, where you will select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius to soften the edges to perfect the sketch aspect. In the Layer panel, change the blending mode of the sketch layer to Multiply. We have the pencil sketch effect. For coloring, create a new layer. Select the Paint Bucket tool and choose a base color. Create another new layer and using the Brush tool, begin adding colors, shading, and highlights to the design. Use different blending modes like Overlay or Color in the color layers for beautiful color results. Here's the fun part: experiment with different brushes, opacities, and blending modes to truly personalize your artwork. And with a few simple steps, you can turn any photo into a unique, eye-catching piece. So go on and embrace the power of digital art.